Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. Our first step to do that is swipe up the screen and go to the settings application. In it, first option, where we choose data usage. And there we have our binding size and data warming. We press there and there we can manage it. We can set when our binding size starts, maybe first day of each month. After we set all we need, we press set. There we can turn on turn off data warming and we can set it in gigabytes, megabytes, how many we want, maybe 5 gigabytes we get warming. And there we can turn on set data limits and we can custom it, maybe we set 10 gigabytes. It can also be in megabyte and set. And that's all, we have it. See you soon, bye!